Hello everyone and welcome to CapCut for social media video editing. Today is our 6th lesson and our lesson topic is change video background in CapCut. So in this class you will be learning about how to change the particular background of your particular video. Suppose you are having a green screen on your video. Now you want to remove the green screen, you can just remove from here. So now let's go over to the CapCut and see how we are going to do this one today. After coming over to the CapCut, you will have this type of interface. And now you can see I just imported two different video files over here. This is our main video with a green screen and this is our background. So let's put the first video over to our timeline and the second video we'll put over here. We'll just arrange it. And now you can see we are having two videos over here. Let's go and select our first video and let's go over here to this section, cutout. You can have two options here, auto cutout and chroma key. Auto cutout will just cut automatically your background and it will give a result. Sometimes it might not give you the perfect result. So that time you can just work with chroma key. So we'll start with the auto cutout, first one. So auto cutout, you can see our particular video green screen has been removed, but it's not quite good because some part of the cat is removed also. Also you can see some green color is present here. So let's unselect this one and let's go over here and select the chroma key. So after selecting the chroma key, here you can see the color picker. You can just pick any color from here and it will just remove that particular color. Suppose I want to remove the cat, it's removing. I want to remove the green screen, it's removing. You can use this to any color. So no need to worry about like it is a green screen or it's a blue color or something else. Any color, if it is a red also, you can just remove that color from there. So let's select this. Our color is green and now you can increase the strength from here. So if you increase the strength, it will just reduce your green effect. You can see a little bit green is there, but it's not that much noticeable. So let's play our particular video. So you can see our particular video is playing. So now you can just export this thing to any format you want. Like let's go over here, click on export and let's export this thing in 4K. Let's make it 60 FPS and then click on export and it will take some time to export. After that, you will get your particular video. You can just post in your social media accounts or YouTube and you can get views, likes, comment, etc. I hope you all understand about this class. If you're having any doubt, you can just ask us. We'll be able to help you. Till then, take care. Goodbye.